What's good, everybody? So how is everybody doing today? Today Taylor and I are going to Washington DC to go to the zoo, go to lunch, spend the day in DC, because yesterday was our 2-year anniversary. But what he doesn't know, oh, I thought he was coming. What he doesn't know is while we're vlogging today, I'm gonna play a little prank on him. And he's not gonna expect it because I'm gonna have the camera out vlogging, so he's not gonna wonder why I'm recording. So we're gonna be driving down the highway, down the road, wherever we go, and this is going to be on the back of the car. Okay, so he does not know that that is there. I'm about to move his car because he's parked behind me, and yeah, so he does not see the sign. Okay, we'll be back.
Yo, yo, yo. It's our first vlog. 2 years last night. Well, yesterday. We're going to the National Zoo, guys.
We are. So, yeah, today is our first vlog, and I'm kind of, I don't know the word for it. Everybody's gonna be staring at us because we're gonna be walking around with a fat camera, talking to it for no reason. I feel like it's more acceptable to vlog in like California because nobody really cares, but around here we live in like the boonies just a little bit. Well, I do.
Yeah, I don't live in the boonies.
Yeah, but I don't know what to say.
We'll see how the day goes.
We'll see how the day goes. Record our day.
You don't record the whole day, you can skip out stuff.
Well, I'll do that when I edit.
Okay.
We need to record everything. Just us. No reason. Why do you think I'm so excited today? Because I'm excited to vlog!
Yo,
your turn. You want to harmonize a little bit?
No.
Ready? One.
No.
Can we harmonize?
Yeah.
Just say vlog. Ready? One.
One.
Just do it. You got the low voice. I got the high voice. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Vlog. I was saying how we needed to get some double-sided tape because I've heard YouTubers who like prop their cameras up on their dashboard use double-sided tape. I just zoomed in on my face. And we could prop it up like right here and move this thingy, but I forgot double-sided tape, so we can't. I'm not gonna record the entire time, so we will see you in a bit.
This is what you call a flip. Took keys from a car to brick. Bentley from his mom.
They just honked at you. The people behind us.
Wow.
I don't know.
They probably know you. Do you know that car?
No.
I don't know. They're cheesing hard as shit.
Is it a man or woman?
It's a woman. It looked like her sister. Look like Kate.
That's not the kind of car she has, though.
The woman's smiling hard as shit. Like she is cheesy. She like.
What the heck?
She's taking a picture of us.
You were?
She's taking a picture of us. I'm not lying. She just took a picture of us.
No, she didn't.
She did. I'm not lying.
No, she didn't. No, she didn't.
She did. Probably about to get a Snapchat. And somebody just snapped you.
Nah.
Well, somebody just took a picture of you.
What the heck? That's so weird.
She's coming up. She's catching me. That's weird as hell.
11:21, guys, and we actually got out of the house at the time I wanted to today. Good job, Taylor. He's usually the one that holds us back.
Yeah, not a blame stones.
Whenever we get to DC, depending on how hungry we are, I don't know, do you want to eat first or? We're going to this place called District Kitchen, and they've got some real yummy looking stuff on their menu. They honked at you again. Someone else honked at you.
Come on, do you got something on the back of your car?
Like what?
I don't know, honk or something, because they took a picture of it.
Who did? Them again?
No, not them.
No. Why would I destroy my car?
Did somebody else put something in your car saying honk if something?
Who would do that?
You never know. I'm about to check your car to make sure nothing's on it.
Are you really gonna be that dramatic, Taylor?
Yes, because we got honked at twice. And then they took a picture of us.
Maybe you're not driving right.
I am driving right.
Maybe you're not. I told you Virginia drivers don't know how to drive. Maryland's just now starting to realize it.
Excuse me? It's all about Maryland with the accidents. Literally, it could literally sprinkle on the ground and y'all got hazard lights on the side of the road.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Y'all cannot drive.
Whatever.
It can be it's flurrying, alright?
You were about to say flurrying.
Whatever. It's flurrying right now, alright? Everybody be on the side of the road. It's not even snowing yet. It's little snowdrops.
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 I think they're called snowflakes.
Drop top.
Just stop right there.
I really want to check the car. See if
Can you not? You're being a little baby.
I'm being a baby.
Yeah, because you're being butthurt because people are honking at you. So we're planning on taking a vacation at the end of June, beginning of July, something like that, this summer to Florida because he's never been. And I've been a couple times, actually 3 times. And I love it, and I want to move there. So I'm trying to convince him to move there.
You ain't get a wheel on.
You need to get an eyeball alignment. I want to see lions, tigers, bears, oh my.
Bears.
No, you know, the zoo is kind of sad. Because they took all those animals and put them in cages. And those animals don't, like, live in an actual habitat.
Remember when they used to have pandas at the zoo?
Panda, 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 panda. This was. Speak up.
I don't want to yell 24/7. I don't talk like this normally, you know. This ain't my way of talking.
You don't have to talk like that. You're talking extremely awkward, too. This isn't my way of talking. They just honked at you again.
Please say a command after the beep.
What'd you do?
I accidentally hit the phone.
Maybe we have like a tail light out or something.
No, your tail light wouldn't be. Somebody put something on the back of your car or something.
You can say, for example, destination help.
If you
or say
click that
help at
button
any
one more time. Freaking 3 people honked their horn at you. You're a bad driver.
How am I a bad driver sitting at stoplights? There's something on the back of you put something on the back of the car, didn't you?
No, I didn't. I just said, why would I damage my paint on my car by putting something on my paint?
I won't damage your paint. Those things, those magnets will not damage your paint.
Why would I spend money on a magnet that says honk?
What the hell's on the back of your car? What the hell is on the back of your car?
I literally don't know, Taylor. It is so funny.
You're a liar.
I just said, why would I put something on the back of my own car? Whatever.
You know exactly what's on the back of this car, so you can't keep it straight.
No, Taylor, it's funny. It's literally like I've never seen that many people honk at me before.
There's only 4 people.
3. I think that was the same person.
That wasn't the same person.
I really think it was. Yes, it was, because they're not behind us or around us anymore. I told him before I turned this camera on that we would catch his road rage. Well guys, I guess we're making a quick stop at the outlets. Not really quite sure why. We're looping around. Why are we at the outlets? Are you buying me something for our 2 years? Are you buying me something?
You ain't your nose done.
Huh?
You ain't your nose done.
You're buying me something? Come on. He's buying me something, obviously. That's why we're at the outlets.
Look at your handicap.
Come on.
We're in a handicap.
Don't rip it, it's tape, it's tape. How do you feel about that? How do you feel? Team Skylar in the comments. Team Skylar, Team Skylar, Team Skylar. I got him.
Leave me alone.
I got him. I got him. Did you hear the man whenever he saw me pulling this off the car? He started laughing. He said, "Good one." We are here. We're about 15 minutes away from where we're eating, and we will fill you guys in once we get there. So, updates on the food. There is no parking to be found at all. We've looped around several times. There are people running in the street, and it's giving me anxiety. So, we're just gonna go right to the zoo instead and not have to worry about all of this. And we're just gonna eat there. I'll eat at a food truck for all I care. I just have to use the bathroom. So, to the zoo. Well guys, it is 1:42 and I'm miserable. I've held my pee for the last 40 minutes. We still haven't found a parking spot, so I came to the decision that we're just gonna leave DC. No district kitchen, no zoo, no nothing. So much for a great vlog for you guys today.
No, we're just gonna start it.
Tell them.
What?
What are we doing today?
It's a surprise.
Apparently he had a last minute surprise. Pray for me.
Yo, so I'm at my surprise place. She found out somehow, some way. But we are at Not Your Average Joe's, probably one of her favorite restaurants.
Alright guys, so we're in Not Your Average Joe's. And we just had some bread, and now these are my Buffalo Caribbean chicken tenders. What do you have, Taylor?
Enchilada.
Chicken enchiladas. So we will see you guys when we are all finished. Alright everybody, so we just finished eating. We just finished eating. We're super tired. We're an hour and a half away from home.
Get your finger out my ear. What are you doing?
I actually didn't mean to put it in there, but once it was in there, I already did it. So, we're an hour and a half away from home. As soon as we get home, we're just gonna get in some comfy clothes and
Sleep.
probably just do nothing for the rest of the day. Whoa. Whoa! Okay guys, so we're back in our hometown right now. We just stopped and got some, what is this called?
Ricos.
I mean, I know it's called Rita's, but like, did you say Ricos? Italian ice. And we got a gelati. And we got cotton candy with vanilla custard. Here you go. So that pretty much wraps up our day today. We didn't get to go to the zoo. Too much craziness in DC today.
What an epic
Fail.
I was about to say a day, but like
Fail. What an epic
vlog.
fail.
Epic vlog.
Why are we so, the lighting is terrible. Okay, here we go. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all we did today. We basically drove about 2 hours to go eat and come back, and that was it. So we'll have to do the zoo another day. Maybe a different zoo. I think that's a better idea. You're really tearing that up. If you guys have any recommendations on videos, leave them down in the comment section below. Anything like that, just let us know in any way that you can on what you guys want to see next. I do want to do a Q&A, so if you guys leave questions, we will go ahead and answer those for you in one of our next videos if we can get enough questions from you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you can like, share, and subscribe, we would really appreciate that, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Peace.